Hi guys, Jenny from On Fire Fit, and I'm doing a couple of days of zone cleaning today in the kitchen. 2 days worth since I was working a lot yesterday. So I just wiped out some of these drawers and I did eliminate a few things, got rid of some of the old dingy towels, and just kind of cleaned out crumbs from each of the drawers. Here's a baking drawer, and I just got rid of a few items and reorganized a tiny bit. This other drawer is right next to my coffee pot and on the way out the door, so I have kind of random things, but they're right where I need them to be. And here's our typical junk drawer, and I just cleared things out a little bit and put things where they belong because sometimes they just get thrown in there. Now it's time for me to kick up my heels and relax. Have a great night.